You got that from your doggy. You got it from your doggy. Open your eyes.
Hey, Abs, open those peepers.
Hey, open your eyes for Hubba Hubba. No, don't suck on your fingers. Suck on this. You know what? She just spit it out. Open your eyes. They were just wide open.
Abby Rose.
It's your grandma.
Hi, Abby Rose.
Yeah,
Hi, Abby Rose. Oh, yes.
Oh, now her eyes are
Hi,
open.
Dorito.
We just tried trading you for the abs, but Shane rejected it.
Hey, Abby. I'm the one who's so mean to you.
Be careful what you say.
I'm the one
I'm
who's
recording.
so mean. But I love you. It's just so you feel better. Yeah. Well, you look like you're kind of mesmerized here.
I'm just a star on the show. I never have heroes, and I never spoiled. Oh, I got some dog hair. Got some dog hair on your face. Look it. Go.